And this year we have decided to have it in Coqeloa so that people of this area and other areas that were not...
I'd like to acknowledge the welcome address this morning and the introduction, as well as the traditional ceremony. Also acknowledge the presence of Turani Vusa, Matenuai, the Taltal of Mudesau, and heads of departments who are here today. Farmers, land users, invited guests, government officials, media representatives, and ladies and gentlemen. Bulazia, namaste, a very good morning to you all. Thank you for the words of reception and for the invitation. I'm delighted to be given the opportunity to be the chief guest for this year's World Day to combat desertification, land degradation, and drought. This year's celebration is a momentous occasion as we celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Convention to Combat Desertification, Degradation, and Drought, UNCCD, which was adopted in 1994 and ratified by the Fijian government in 1998. This year's theme, Let's Build Our Future Together, allows us to look back on what we as a nation have done in the past 25 years, learning from our experience, as well as planning ahead for what we hope to achieve in the next 25 years. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji adopted the convention on the 26th of August 1998. Today, at Coqeloa, we are celebrating with other 196 countries around the globe, implementing the convention under coordinated and results-oriented actions with clear targets to recover and restore degraded land. Since we adopted the convention, the national focal point and development partners have been working closely with relevant stakeholders and especially farmers in raising capacity to carry out sustainable land use management and proper farming practices. The Ministry of Agriculture has helped set up sustainable land management demonstration farm at farmers' field to showcase the farming system every year. The current pressures on land are enormous and is expected to continue growing in the future. The current and growing threats of forest fires, drought, urban migration, flash floods, sea level rise and flood and water insecurity are more evident. When I was invited to officiate at this program today, I thought to share with you my concern in the last few years, having seen the cultivation of most of our land for Yangon plantation. As you know that the price of Angona is really high on the market, and the farmers are going their own way, trying to plant as much Yangon plants to sell to the market. I was thinking about the effects of degradation of our land, but it's good that the Ministry of Agriculture has got a very important program for us today that will not only be beneficial for those who are planting Yangon, but to other farmers as well, in terms of the preservation of our land in the years to come for our future generation. Ladies and gentlemen, achieving the land degradation neutrality, LDN, in Fiji is currently a national target. This is one of the Sustainable Development Goals, reflecting the importance and urgency of addressing challenges of combating land degradation and drought. The significant milestone for Fiji is the process of finalizing the UNCCD National Action Plan and its alignment to Fiji National Development Plan and the UNCCD Future Strategic Framework 2030. By achieving land degradation neutrality, we would have more land available for further sustainable development. What becomes more important then will be to generate and sustain positive changes by keeping the productive land productive. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, Fiji, as island archipelago, becomes more and more fragile against the effect of changing climate and loss of biodiversity. As responsible citizens of Fiji, let us renew our commitment to good land stewardship that help communities create wealth, grow economies, and secure enough food, clean water, and energy. Sustainable land management is everyone's business. Together, we restore the productivity of our land resources to help improve the livelihoods of current and future generations of Fiji. I thank you all for your attention and for your participation in today's program. Vanua Levu, thank you very much.
Okay, 60 centimeter na spacing, 60 centimeter in between plants, in between rows, 1 meter.
Nice, good.
पकड़ा है अभी वो लगे सबसे गंभीर पेड़ वही है
Let us give her an applause to the walkway for harvesting. You can pick from both sides.